Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone Quadcopter with Fly More Kit Combo Bundle is an exceptional choice for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. This drone stands out primarily due to its impressive camera capabilities, featuring a Hasselblad L1D-20c sensor that captures stunning 20MP stills in 4K video at 30 frames per second. The 1-inch CMOS sensor allows for excellent low-light performance and dynamic range, resulting in vivid colors and intricate details, making it ideal for landscape photography and videography. One of the notable features is the adjustable aperture, which ranges from f/2.8 to f/11. This flexibility enables users to achieve the best exposure settings in various lighting conditions, enhancing the quality of captures. The Mavic 2 Pro also boasts a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, ensuring smooth footage even in windy conditions. The Fly More Kit combo adds tremendous value, providing extra batteries, propellers, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag for easy transport. The additional batteries significantly extend flight time, allowing for longer shooting sessions without the need to constantly land and recharge. With a maximum flight time of approximately 31 minutes, the Mavic 2 Pro offers ample opportunity to capture breathtaking aerial shots. Another standout feature is the OcuSync 2.0 transmission system, which allows for a maximum transmission range of up to 8 kilometers. This robust system ensures a stable connection between the drone and the remote controller, providing real-time video feed without interruption. Furthermore, the obstacle avoidance system, equipped with multiple sensors, enhances safety, allowing for automated navigation around obstacles. The drone's compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry, while its user-friendly controls cater to both beginners and seasoned pilots. The intuitive DJI Go 4 app adds another layer of functionality, allowing users to adjust settings, edit footage, and share their creations seamlessly. Overall, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone Quadcopter with Fly More Kit combo is an outstanding investment for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography.